What's up, everybody? It's very rare that I actually go. This used to be one of the setups I did when I first started my channel with my computer in the background, but I'm going to do it again. I have a package right here. I went and for my work, we got moved to a new location. I spent most of yesterday doing that. That's why you didn't see a vlog yesterday. But I bought me a gaming mouse, which I hated the mouse. I was using the Magic Mouse on my laptop for work, and it just sucked. Like, it's great for the Mac, but trying to get it to the PC is just kind of like, it's frustrating and hard. So I bought me a mouse, but I also wanted to buy me a keyboard. So I bought me a mechanical filling keyboard. We're going to test it out. I'm going to test it on my PC here, but it's actually going to be for work. So let's get this packaged open. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's how I open up my packages. Alright. And there's one. And there's two. There we go. Okay, so here is the keyboard. Right here. It's hard to see, like I got it off of Amazon. It's a DB Power. It's a mechanical filling keyboard, so basically it looks and feels like a mechanical keyboard. It was like 30 bucks. But it also has a backlight on it for the keys, like it's red. I'll show you whenever we get set up. But I'll keep the link to this below so you can take a look at it. If you really like this, then you can purchase it. So look in the section below, you'll see where you can buy this at. I got it off Amazon, obviously, because I work there. So let's get it unboxed here. Okay, there's a one. And a 2. There we go. Alright. That's what you see when you open it up. And instruction booklet, which let's see what the booklet has. I've never seen an instruction booklet. Warranty card, not an instruction booklet. Okay, so let's take it out of here. There we go. Okay, so the first thing I see is the cord. It's made out of nylon, so it can't really bite into it. Like if you have cats or animals, it protects your cords a lot better. And I like the really fat head right here because like with the iPhone cords and stuff like that, like it's very easy for them to just bend and then you have to buy a new one. First thing I saw, really amazing. This is also spill proof, which is like really good too. So as you can see, it has the mechanical look. Okay, so let's get this actually plugged in and let's get that tested out. Okay, so I got it just plugged in. So the really cool thing about this is it's plug and play, so no drivers needed, nothing. You can see right now that it has the red backlight on it, which is really cool because it matches up with the TilleyVision logo. My mouse that I'm actually going to be using is blue, so you can actually change the color. You can press function and there we go. So you can press function and pause break and it will start to breathe. So that's also a function. It changes the color, but also changes it to breathing mode. So now it's blue and breathing, red and breathing, and pink and breathing. So that's really cool. I really like that. Then scroll lock it just changes the color. So function scroll lock, red and pink. So I'm probably, because my mouse is blue, I'll probably keep it on blue a lot. But I think that it'll be really cool if I'm at work and I just let my associates say, hey, if you come by my desk and it's blue, I'm there, I'm here. But maybe if it's red, it's kind of like I'm in a meeting, I'm not here right now. And if it's pink, it's kind of like I'll be back. I don't know, something like that. It's going to be pretty cool. But those are the 3 colors. I really like the breathing. I'll probably just have it on breathing if I'm not even at work. But I don't know. kind of like red right now because it matches TilleyVision. So let's actually just open up a like a WordPad or something like that. And let's just see how it feels. Actually on the back, you have the two little lifts here on the back, so it makes it feel better. All right, I just opened up WordPad, and I'm just gonna type like, hey, how are you, my official peeps? So here we go. Hey, how are you, my... Feels really good typing. One thing that I did notice about this is it doesn't really have the sound of a mechanical keyboard, but it has the feel of a mechanical keyboard. So they were actually right when they said that. So I'm going to type that. I'm not going to say anything. So I don't know, it feels really good. I really like it. This is a good purchase. Like I said, this keyboard right here was $30, got off Amazon, and I work for Amazon, so it's convenient. But overall, like, it felt good, and it looks great. I really like it, and I think it's going to be a good addition to my work computer. So, anyways, this is first time I've ever actually bought a keyboard, so it's an interesting experience. Anyways, guys, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with others. That's it.